Think great baking requires expensive gear? Think again. Today I reveal the top 7 best low-cost stand mixers that save money, time, and effort. Welcome to my channel, your smart kitchen guide. Stay till the end, solve mixing struggles, and grab your favorite easily using trusted links below in description now. At number 7 is Betty Crocker Dough Hook. Ever struggled with dough that just won't come together evenly? The Betty Crocker Dough Hook might be the unsung hero in your kitchen. Many low-cost stand mixers promise power, but fail when tackling thick bread or cookie dough. This attachment changes the game. Performance and precision with ergonomic design and planetary mixing action, it reaches every corner of the 3.7-quart bowl, no stubborn pockets of flour left behind. Compared to other mixers in our top 7 list, this feels stable, reliable, and safe. Curious how it handles dense dough? Ease and comfort dishwasher-safe bowl, splash guard, and suction feet ensure mess-free operation and peace of mind. Tested in real kitchens, it's a smart choice for busy bakers. Pros: sturdy, precise, easy cleanup, versatile. Cons: smaller capacity than some bigger budget mixers. We recommend gear that proves its worth. If you bake bread or cookies regularly, this is a smart, safe investment. Casual bakers may not need it, but anyone craving consistency will love it. On number 6 is CHeflee Vegetable Slicer. Did you know one small gadget can transform both your baking and meal prep? The CHeflee Vegetable Slicer attachment for the multifunctional mixer proves it. Many people hunting for affordable stand mixers struggle with limited versatility. One mixer, one job. CHeflee changes that. With a 660-watt pure copper motor and 6.5 quarts bowl, it handles everything from thick bread dough to smooth batters. The vegetable slicer attachment adds a level of convenience you don't see in other low-cost mixers on our list. Curious how it performs daily? Anti-splash lids, pulse speed, and stable base make mixing or slicing mess-free and reassuring. Tested in real kitchens where speed and safety matter. Pros: multifunctional, powerful, stylish, easy cleanup. Cons: slightly larger footprint. We recommend tools that earn their spot. For home bakers wanting one mixer to do it all, this is a smart, safe choice. Minimalist cooks might skip, but anyone craving efficiency will feel instant relief. At number 5 is ZACME Food Mixer. What if a budget mixer could handle bakery-level batches without sounding like a jet engine? That's where the ZACME Food Mixer shocked me. Many people shopping affordable stand mixers worry about weak motors, tiny bowls, and non-stop noise. This one flips that fear. Power meets control with serious wattage and multiple speeds, it kneads heavy dough confidently. The planetary motion reaches every corner, no dry flour left behind. Curious how that feels day to day? Smart convenience. The digital timer is a lifesaver. Set it, walk away, breathe easy. Tested in real kitchens where multitasking matters. Pros: huge capacity, quiet operation, stable performance. Cons: takes more counter space than compact options on our list. We only stand behind gear that proves its value. If you bake for family or in big batches, this feels like a smart, safe investment. Small batch bakers may not need it, but power users will love the peace of mind. At number 4 is Honinst Baking. What if a quiet mixer could still feel powerful and reassuring? That's the surprise with Honinst Baking. Many shoppers hunting for affordable stand mixers worry about loud noise, shaky bowls, and motors burning out. This one tackles those fears head-on, and that's refreshing. Comes together smoothly thanks to planetary-style mixing. Curious how that compares to others on our list? Everyday comfort. It stays stable, runs quietly, and keeps mess contained. Tested in real home baking sessions where peace of mind matters. You'll feel the difference instantly. Pros: strong capacity, low noise, reliable safety protection. Cons: brand recognition isn't as big as some rivals. Final take: we recommend gear that proves itself, not just promises. If you want a calm, capable helper without overspending, this is a smart choice. Heavy commercial users may pass, but home bakers will feel relief every time it runs. On number 3 is Cuisinart Splash Guard. Ever ruined a perfect batter with one careless splash? That's the silent frustration most buyers of affordable stand mixers face. Enter the Cuisinart Splash Guard, and yes, it matters more than you think. The real problem: budget-friendly mixers often mix well but leave your counter looking like a crime scene. Stressful, right? This guard fixes that instantly. Curious how? How it performs paired with mixers in our low-cost lineup: it keeps ingredients inside the bowl while letting you pour smoothly. No stopping. No mess. Tested in real kitchens where speed matters. Comparison check: unlike basic covers and other options, this feels sturdier and more precise. It's not flashy, but it's smart. Pros: cleaner cooking, safer pouring, peace of mind. Cons: only fits compatible models. We back accessories that truly earn their spot. If clean baking calms your mind, buy it. If mess doesn't bother you, skip, but most won't go back once they try it. At number 2 is Hamilton Beach QuickBurst. What if one mixer could replace 2 appliances and still stay budget-friendly? That's the promise of the Hamilton Beach QuickBurst, and honestly, it surprised me. Many people searching for affordable stand mixers fear weak motors and messy results. This one solves that fast. Design and power stand mixer for dough. Detachable hand mixer for quick jobs. Relief already. The 290-watt peak power handles cookies and light bread confidently, tested in real kitchens, not just on paper. Curious how it compares? Keep watching. Performance: the side-to-side bowl motion actually prevents dry pockets. That's something some other low-cost mixers on our list miss. 6 speeds plus a power boost feel reassuring. Pros: space-saving, versatile, easy cleanup. Cons: smaller bowl than premium models. We recommend tools that make smart choices easier. If you want flexibility and peace of mind, this earns it. Heavy dough bakers may want more, but most home cooks will feel confident buying this. Now moving to the last one is Koolatron Flat Beater. What if one small attachment could completely change how your budget stand mixer performs? That's exactly where the Koolatron Flat Beater steps in. Many people buying low-cost stand mixers worry about uneven mixing, wasted batter, and tiring cleanups. I've been there. This beater fixes that pain with steady, consistent contact that actually reaches the bowl, tested in real home kitchens, not just specs. Paired with affordable mixers in our top 7 lineup, it delivers smooth cookie dough and creamy batters without stressing the motor. Compared to premium systems like Kenmore's pour-in designs and built-in lighting, this skips the extras, but focuses on what matters: reliable mixing. Pros: durable build, even results, and peace of mind. Cons: no fancy add-ons. We recommend tools that earn their place. If you bake often on a smart budget, this is worth it. Casual bakers may skip, but serious home bakers will feel the relief instantly. After reviewing all options, the ZACME food mixer stands out as the winner. Its powerful 800-watt motor, massive 7.4-quart bowl, and quiet operation make it perfect for both small and large batches. The digital timer and planetary mixing ensure consistent results, while the stable design gives peace of mind during heavy-duty use. Compared to the other low-cost mixers, it combines power, versatility, and convenience in one package. If you want a reliable, time-saving, and stress-free baking companion, this is the smart choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best low-cost stand mixer. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.